Hi students, my sincere and best wishes for coming 10th class examinations. Now in this video, I am going to explain how altitude or height of a relief influence the climate. To explain this point, we have to know about an important term, that is normal lapse rate. Normal lapse rate. So what is the meaning of normal lapse rate? When you go to the higher altitude, for every 1000 meters, 6.4 degrees centigrade temperature decreases. For every 1000 meters height, 6.4 degrees centigrade temperature declines or falls. This is what we call as a normal lapse rate. Basing on this normal lapse rate law, if you go to Simla or Gulmarg or Nainital, Darjeeling, for every 1000 meters temperature decreases, that which results cooler climate. Then even if you come to South India, where Kodaikanal and Ooty or Udagamandalam, where they also experience with cooler climate. If you like this video, like and subscribe.